She doesn't want mine, doesn't want, and she doesn't want. So just
His dinner will be ready in a few minutes.
okay.
And then I was going to see if you guys wanted a refill of drinks.
Yes, she wants water. Yeah, so and also kind of just regular broccoli. We put like sauce on it.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. Because when you ask for steam, you expect steam. All right.
Thank you.
No problem. One more. Yay!
I'll always take one.
Bring them all. Take them.
Oh, I'm learning. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Two more.
I noticed. Yeah, I did like. I like video with that, so it's cool. Naming your investments.
Wait. Which one, right? You got You can just pass it down. You can just pass it down. So, Irene, I just need a seltzer and Italian Coke. Right, so just